Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's tip is ask for referrals. Basically what you're going to do is approach to your previous clients and simply ask them for more work, and that's what's called referrals. You're going to ask them to refer you to their clients, to their friends, to their potential clients or people who are going to be interested in what you have to offer. When you're getting work and when you're getting started with your client, make sure to do the communication part properly. Make sure to communicate clearly that you're open to future work. Make sure then after the project with that particular client is finished, make sure to remind them that you're open to potential work, because guess what? Clients don't really care about you. You are there to provide the service, and then after you provide that service to them, they're simply going to move on because they're focused on their own business. So it's your job actually to remind them that you are still available for work, but don't be too pushy. Approach this in a different kind of way. For example, when you finish the work, make sure to remind them that you are open to a future work and that you would love to work with them again, because this collaboration was great and you really enjoyed working with them on their project. Then, for example, 1 week after the project is finished and you deliver the final files, you can reach out to them once again and simply ask them about that project. How is it going? For example, if you did a website design work, make sure to ask them, is it coded? Is it live? Can I check it out? I would really like to check it out and see how it looks like live. And then, for example, 1 month after that, you can reach out to them once again and simply ask them, how was the work? Did you enjoy it? I would really love for us to collaborate again on a future project, and I am still available for work, so make sure to have me in mind for any of your future projects. So by simply sending 2 different emails, you are going to remind them that you are open for future work and for collaboration, and make sure to remind them that you really enjoyed working with them on that particular project. Because as I said, clients are focused on their thing, on their business, and they don't really think about you. You can put it in another way. If you, for example, are going to your local store, you don't really remember the cashier's name during the rest of the day, but when you go back to that local store, then you remember that cashier's name when you actually see them. It's the same thing with designers and with us as freelancers. For example, you have to remind your clients that you exist, because they are going to get overwhelmed with what they have to do in their business during the day, so they are not going to remember you. One more thing is, and I want to stress that one more time, don't be too pushy, because you're going to actually push them away from yourself. Simply you want to approach them once or twice via email or via direct messages, or wherever the communication took place during the project. So once again, you don't want to be too pushy, because that's going to drive them away, but you want to show general interest into their business. What are they doing and how is it going in their business, so that you can actually get the future work from them. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.